Today, I'm going to recreate a video from Zack D Films, a massive YouTube channel with over 20 million subscribers and earning around $91 million every month. I will be copying this video using ChatGPT, following my exact method step by step. So stick around and learn how to do it too. First, I'll ask ChatGPT to generate a similar cinematic script. Then I'll use CapCut to convert that script into voiceover using AI-generated audio. And finally, I'll create the visuals with Leonardo AI using carefully crafted prompts. Everything will be automated: script, voice, and visuals. And you can follow along to learn exactly how to do it yourself. Now, I'll head over to CapCut.com to generate the AI audio voice for this video. I'll paste the script we just created, choose a natural-sounding voice, and let CapCut handle the narration automatically. Now that we've successfully generated the voiceover using CapCut, let's move on to the next crucial step: scene creation. The voiceover is exactly 44 seconds long, which means we'll need to generate visuals that match the pacing and emotion of every second. Timing is everything here, Juaniz. We're not just throwing random visuals on screen, we're crafting a cinematic experience that syncs perfectly with the narration, just like the storytelling style of Zack D Films. To do this right, we'll break the script into segments, maybe 4 to 6 scenes depending on the rhythm, and match each part with specific visuals. Think of each second like a movie frame, full of motion, emotion, and clarity. Once we've mapped out the scene plan, we'll head straight into Leonardo AI to generate high-quality, detailed, and cinematic visuals that match each scene's mood. Whether it's a dark futuristic city, an emotional moment, or a surprising twist, Leonardo AI will help us bring that vision to life with just the right prompt. This is where the project truly starts to shine. AI-generated visuals, paired with AI-generated voice and script, all flowing together seamlessly. Stick around, because you're about to see how powerful and professional a fully AI-driven video can become. And by the end of this, you'll know how to do it too. Finally, once we have the visuals and audio ready, we'll bring everything into CapCut for the final edit. This is where it all comes together. In CapCut, we'll sync the audio perfectly with each scene, trim or cut parts if needed to match the pacing, and add smooth transitions for a professional look. Next, we'll enhance the visuals using filters to match the mood, whether it's dark and cinematic or bright and energetic. We'll also fine-tune the voice by adjusting the volume, adding slight reverb or EQ if necessary, and then layer in background music that complements the story without overpowering the narration. To make sure everything is crystal clear for the viewer, we'll add captions throughout, not just for accessibility, but to keep viewers engaged and focused. Captions also help with retention and make your video feel more polished. This editing step is where your project transforms from raw AI-generated content into a complete, high-quality video that feels like it came from a top-tier creator. And just like that, you've recreated the style of Zack D Films, from script to voice, visuals to final edit, all powered by AI. So now you've seen the full workflow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI-powered content creation tutorials.
They thought it was just food poisoning, but the scans told a different story. Something was alive, inside. It was small, and it was moving. Rewind 3 days. He never saw it land on his food. It entered unnoticed, but it didn't die. They cut him open. What they found shouldn't exist. A living fly, adapted to stomach acid, still alive, still moving, still hungry. Mutated faster than anything they'd seen. And he wasn't the only one. Check your plate. It could be watching. You.